Oh, this color is so pretty. I can't wait to get into this wig. She has a standard comb in the back, the adjustable straps, two combs on either side. She has an elastic band, and she has a 5-inch deep part. I must say that I am truly impressed by how realistic and, flawless this hairline really and truly is. I mean, it really saved me time not having to pluck any extra hair from this hairline. All I literally had to do was cut the excess lace and just go in and style this baby hair. Like, it saved me so much time. And I'm like, oh my God, I just wish all the wigs that I did came with a hairline like this. So I finished my baby hair design on the other side as well. And I freeze it in place with my blow dryer on the highest temperature. Do not, I repeat, do not let your blow dryer rest on the hair. Just gently tap it until it basically the baby hair stays in place. Because if you do leave it on there too long, it will burn the hair. And I find that sealing it in place with your blow dryer on the highest setting, it basically preserves the shape of the baby hairs, so that when you do want to wear it the next time, all you have to do is clean, your hairline, and you're good. Once I'm done styling it, I take my Fit Me foundation in the color 330, and I apply it to the part and in between the gaps in the baby hairs. This hairline is perfection. I can't wait to put this wig on. And I know I say that a lot, but I can't. Oh my God, I just love this color. I mean, the highlights, the streaks that are throughout this wig is just really giving me everything. Like, it's everything. Like, just the way that it looks really cute, braided up, and just that you still can see the highlights throughout the braids. I'm impressed. Outre really did their thing when coming up with this color. Whoever at Outre came up with this color is definitely salon experienced, okay? So if you ladies are interested in hearing the rest of my commentary and what I truly think about Miss Seraphine, stay tuned. Ciao. Hey, JuiceDrops. It's JuicyNashae here, and I'm back with another wig. Okay? You already know. Okay. So, this wig name is Seraphine. Looky. Okay, so I have Miss Seraphine in a color DRFF4 / strawberry gold. Okay, let's get a close up on there. Okay, now this wig is made by Outre. This is a part of their melted hairline lace front wig line that they have. I really want to try this wig, so let's get into her features, shall we? Now, she features soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep part, completely pre-plucked hairline, and sideburns. Okay. Pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. Natural baby hairs. Redesigned for a comfort fit, ear-to-ear contour. That is Seraphine's features. Now, I'm going to show you ladies another cute style, and I'll be right back. So, pretty much, this is some other, like, really cute colors delicious colors that she comes in, and they have the names on the back. Now that we went over Miss Seraphine's features and stuff, let me get into the pros and the cons of Miss Seraphine. Now, the pros of Miss Seraphine are, of course, this hairline. The hairline is awesome. It is flawless. It is true ear to ear. Like, I actually have her glued down ear to ear. And even though I cut a little bit of the lace away from the lace front in order to like kind of be able to put it behind my ears and stuff, it's perfect. You know, it really and truly is the perfect hairline when it comes to the wigs that are out there. It's truly ear to ear. She is big head friendly. I have a 23-inch head, full hair underneath that's braided in, you know, it's what I call twiggy plaits. And, you know, she was very comfortable to wear. I can't remember if I put any combs, any of her combs in my hair. I didn't have to do any plucking, like I said. So it's truly, you know, natural and easy to, you know, do a cute little baby hairstyle like I got going on. Even though I had to add my real hair right here and right here, I have an overarching hairline. So there are ladies out there who experience that and have to, you know, blend their natural hair with, you know, their wigs. So, I mean, you know, it might not be a problem for you, but, you know, I run into that quite often when it comes to 13 by whatever wigs that I do buy. The color is absolutely beautiful. The streaks and the, you know, like realistic, like, salon dye job that this wig embodies, I love that. This color is so pretty. It looks amazing on my skin tone, and I really do like that. I decided to put these two braids in there, and it just, you know, kind of, you know, like made it look like a little bohemian, you know, real flower child, you know, real cute. And as far as the pros go, I think that's it. When it comes to the shedding, Seraphine does not really give me any shedding. I mean, like I'm literally getting no shedding. Like, I haven't really had bad shedding at all. I mean, a strand here or there throughout the day, but nothing like any of the wigs that I've experienced like really heavy shedding with. Tangling, it was some tangling, a little bit of tangling, but of course you're gonna get tangling in the nape of the wig, you know, because it's rubbing against your clothes. It's, you know, doing its own thing, you know, in the back of your neck. You ain't backed that up, you know, watch and make sure it ain't, you know, so you're gonna get that. So I wasn't tripping. So I'm just gonna, you know, show you guys a close-up. Like I said, the hairline is really nice. It's a little cruddy because I've been having this wig on all day. Like I said, I glued it down earlier from ear to ear, and what else? Now, on to the cons. Okay, so the cons with Miss Seraphine is, of course, she is thin as shit. Like, this is all the hell, y'all. This the hell right here. This is really skimpy. Like, this is really, really skimpy. Like I feel robbed. I feel robbed. I feel like, you know, I had to wear all the hair to the front. And this is literally a pack and a half of hair. So anywho, I digress. The thickness is non-existent. You know, matter of fact, I should have bought this little small band just to distract people from how thin this motherfucker is. You know, like, I hate to use so much profanity. I hate to really rag on it, but y'all, ladies, girl, could I really get to the realty? Well, let's just say I kind of get a little tired, and like, I kind of feel like a lot of these wig companies aren't really paying attention to their like core audience and what we want and what we're looking for when it comes to more bang for our buck. Because these companies like Outre, Sensational, Bobby Boss, and some of these other wig companies out here are just releasing bullshit. I hate to just plainly put it like that, but it's the truth. Like, they're releasing wigs that just really are just like skimpy, little to no effort really involved, and they're just throwing it out there and charging like high prices for it. I kind of feel like that's why and that's one of the reasons why on this channel I just go and I buy wigs that are cute and I like. And yes, a lot of the wigs that I do buy tend to be old by the time I do reviews on them, and they tend to, all the rave and the hype around them tend to have died down by the time I get to them. But I actually prefer them that way, because when you follow the hype on YouTube and you see all these wig tutorials on the same wig, and these girls are hyping these wigs up like, oh my god, this wig this, and oh my god, these wig that, chances are, and I'm not gonna say all of them are being paid off, and I'm not saying each and every one of them lie and don't give their truthful and honest opinion of the wig because they are a sponsored channel. I just don't feel that they're being honest to people who are paying their hard-earned money. And if I'm gonna spend my money, I want quality for my buck. I don't want to just go and buy wigs and waste my money on these wigs and just have them, stacked up in my closet, never to be worn again. So on this channel, you're gonna get the truth. And on this channel, you might not get the latest wig, because I ordered this wig, Seraphine, because I genuinely liked her. I thought she was really cute. And I usually don't be checking for new wigs. And I try my best not to watch any of the, reviews on these wigs, because so many girls are doing the same things. But following the trends and riding the wave doesn't always pay off. And I definitely feel robbed with this wig. Yes, the hairline might be fire, but this is literally about 1.5 packs worth of, like hair from the beauty supply store. Or that's like going to AliExpress and buying like 2 bundles worth of hair and making a wig out of it. It's gonna look real skimpy, and that's what I got. So I'm not completely sold on this wig. I feel disappointed in even getting it, because even though I wore it all today and I got like 1 or 2 compliments on it. One compliment on the color mainly, and the other compliment on just like the natural realistic look of this hairline. I didn't necessarily feel confident walking out in public with this wig on. One of my pet peeves that I really hate when wearing these synthetic wigs is having to constantly feel in the back of my head and make sure my tracks ain't gapping. And this is for sure gapping. Like, you can see all my little twiggy plaits, in the back. If I can feel my natural hair under this wig, like, what am I wearing it for? I might as well just wear my real hair, right? You know, but of course, you know, ladies want to switch it up. You know, ladies want to wear, you know, like different, you know, wigs and hair colors, you know, just to, you know, have something different going on and to have fun. And if I have to be self-conscious when I wear your product, I don't want to wear your product. And that's what I feel about this Seraphine wig. That's just where I'm at with it, ladies. If y'all get a new and up-to-date wig review from me, it definitely has to be something that is worth it. And, you know, sometimes you don't know what you're getting when you spend your money. Just like I was brutally honest when it came to my review on Sensational's Brielle, this is another brutally honest review, ladies. If you want to have a quick pop and go wig, you know, if you want to have a wig that you could just kind of slick to the back, lay the baby hairs and it look natural, and you do your little, those bejeweled headbands that a lot of girls are doing these days, you know, it's gonna look, you know, really cute with that. But you either want to wear this wig all the way to the back, you know, like all the hair to the back, or you want to wear the hair all to the sides. Because either way, no matter if you're wearing all the hair to the back or to the sides, something's gonna be skimpy. Something's gonna be, you know, like, it's a very, very thin wig, y'all. Like, I have a full head of hair under here, and if I really show y'all, matter of fact, I'm about to show y'all, hold on. If I really wanted to, I could pull one of my little twiggy plaits from underneath my wig, because my little bun that my hair is in the back is right here, and you can see that. So I don't know how good I showed y'all in the back, how, you know, lumpy it looks, because it's so, this wig is so thin. If I had to rate Miss Seraphine, I would definitely have to rate her a 5, maybe a 5.5 at best. Because like I said, if you're going to buy this wig, ladies, which she was not that expensive, so that's kind of, you know, a giveaway to what you're gonna get. But still in all, they should at least gave me, you know, at least 150 density instead of 120 density with this wig. I hope you all valued my brutally honest review on Miss Seraphine. And hopefully that saves you ladies out there some money. And once again, like I said in my Brielle video, please, oh please, oh please, don't buy into the hype. You know, everybody is doing this wig, and I hate following, you know, the trends. You know, this environment of doing these hair tutorials is already saturated as it is, and I understand that coming into this environment. But following these trends and keeping up with these new wigs as they come out, they're not always up to par. And when I do participate in, you know, riding the wave and getting on a wig that's trending, you best to believe I'm gonna give you ladies the clear, honest, and concise truth. Ladies, with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, as always, follow your girl at JuicyNashae on Instagram as well. Bye.